Welcome to AutobarSoft.com. Today we are so pleased to introduce you to Twitter automation tool, which can support you in doing any activities on Twitter, like auto update either bio website inbound, select users, auto follow, unfollow message, auto like, reply to users tweet inbound, agree follows, likes, auto post tweet on Twitter, on mass retweets for Twitter posts. In this video, we will show you steps to auto update avatar, bio, and website on Twitter with Twitter automation tool. When you buy Twitter automation software, we will provide you with two links, consistent of software link and user agent file link. Download these two files and you will receive Twitter automation in RAG format like that. You will right-click on this, select Extract here. You will receive Twitter automation folder. Open this folder and double-click on Twitter automation. Wait for the launching and then enter the provided license, username and password. You will open the software and see the interface. This is the interface of Twitter automation software. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running any functions. First is accounts section. You need to import Twitter accounts or Gmail accounts, which will be used to create Twitter accounts. You click on this icon data. You will see the database manager's dialog box. There are two ways for you to import data. The first one is to do it manually. You will click on this icon, select Add Group, and then enter group name here. For example, I will enter tutorial. Then click OK to create this group. Then you select this group, click on this icon, select Add Item. You will enter username and password of Twitter here. To the password. You ensure import browser part. If you select browser from data, then click OK to save. Similarly, you can import thousands of Twitter's account here. Next, if you don't have Twitter's accounts, you can import Gmail accounts to create Twitter account. Click on this icon, select Add Group, enter the name here. I will enter tutorial red. Then select this group, click on this icon, select Add Item. You will pass username, Twitter password, then enter email, password, and recovery amount. Then click OK to save. Similarly, you can import thousands of Gmail accounts here. The second one is you will import by a CSV file. To do this, you will create a text file, name it as accounts, for example. Then you enter Twitter's accounts here. You will enter all the parameters which is corresponding with the heads here in the dialog box, the database manager. And click to save. Then you click on Convert, select Import CSV, click on this icon, and then select the accounts file created. Click OK. You can click on this icon to rename. For example, tutorial 1 and click OK. You can see the data imports here. And then in case you don't have Twitter accounts, you can create a text file, name it a Gmail, and then imports the Gmail accounts here. So remember to import parameters that which is corresponding with text. Usually the comments for parameter that you don't have here. Then start with Gmail, password, and recovery amount. And then click to save. Then click on convert, import CSV. Click on this icon and select the Gmail text file created. Click OK. You also can rename this one tutorial 1, right? Okay, so close this dialog box. Then at the account section, you will select the group you want to run. Here, for example, I will select tutorial. And in case you don't have Twitter accounts, you can select tutorial red one to run the function register with Google. Next is the action. You will select the features that you want to run at this section. In this video, we will instruct you to run update editor, update bio, and update website. Next, in the run section, this is the number of times that you want the software to run. You can leave it at the default. The software will run continuously till you stop it manually, and you can put any number here. For example, 1000. The software will run 1000 times and stop it. With track section, this is the number of windows that will run at the same time. For example, you put it 3 here. 3 windows will be open and run with 3 accounts. Next is cookies folder and detail folder. Cookies folder will be saved while launching, and the software will not launching again from the next run. You will create a folder, name it a cookie. Then get the path. Copy and paste it into this session. Simulate data folder will save the result of running. For example, you run thread user function, the result will be saved in this folder, data folder. Next is browser search. There are 3 choices for you to choose here. The first one is from file. At file browser section, there are 2 options for you. The first one is live from file. You will create a text file to content browsing here. Then you will enter your browsing IP and port. For example, these are our browsing. You click to save. And at file browsing, you click on the icon, select the browsing file created. The second option is lines from URL. You will paste browsing link address here. Next is from data. You will import browsing imports into data with Twitter accounts or Gmails. The last one is no browsing. The software will use your computer browsing to run this. Next is the user agent file. When you buy the software, we will provide you with user agent file. Just download it and click on this icon. Select the file that we provided. Next is lead time. This is the range of time among run times. Unit here is milliseconds. So if you set up 7,000 to 10,000 seconds like this, after finishing running one turn of threads, the software will delay in 7 to 10 seconds and then perform the next run of threads. Next, to run the update error function, you will select update error action section and add the image folder. You will create a folder to save photos which will be used to upload everywhere. Now this new folder is image. For example, these are photos that we want to use to update everywhere. And at image folder, you click on this icon, select the folder created. Finally, you click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software runs. Now we will run the update bio function. You will select update bio action. Then you will create a text file to contain bio that you want to update. You will enter the bio per line. For example, these are the file that I want to update. Then click to save. At Content File section, click on this icon and select the bio file created. Finally, you click OK. Can click on Show Browser to see how the software runs. Finally, we will run the Update Website function. As the Action section, you will select Update Website. And at Content File section, you will create a text file to contain link of website that you want to update. For example, these are links of website that I want to update. Click to save. And at this section, click on this icon, select the website text file created, then finally you click OK. Click on Show Browser to see how the software runs. These demonstrated above are instructions for you to update either bio or websites on Twitter with Twitter automation tool. You can visit autobotssoft.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.